I poured a glass of silk. I had just poured the container and I drank it.
Hold on.
And it tasted really good. So I go to Don.
Brandy.
Come here for a minute. So he comes over and he takes the glass and he drinks it and he was like, wow, that was good. It's really good. It's creamy, it's tasty. I said, I know. It tastes
Brandy. Hey. Make sure she don't bite it. That stuff could be poisonous. Oh.
There's something about her. I know. I mean, she's so much like me. No, it wasn't that. It's just... No. I mean, she does things to take me off. She makes me
Don't bite.
Your job.
She makes the funniest noises.
She's my kid. I have to be yourself. She came out here and tracked you down. Do you know she managed to do that? She thought she knew you. She had seen you on TV. She had every reason to believe that you would slam the door in her face. That she was full confirmation that her father thought she was mistaken and didn't want her. About half the male population. Go back to Liberty. Judgmental, easy-going man is like you said, don't feel like you have to be Jack or this other idea of fatherhood. That's just going to complicate it.